Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, my little timekeepers. Today, we're going to learn something really important. It's called telling time. Let's all say it together. Telling time. Time helps us know when to eat, sleep, play, and study. Isn't that cool? Look at this. This is called an analog clock. It has numbers from 1 to 12 and two hands. A short one and a long one. The short hand is the hour hand. It tells us the hour. The long hand is the minute hand. It tells us the minutes. Let's take a closer look. If the short hand points to 3, that means it is 3 o'clock. The hour hand moves slowly. It takes a full hour to move from one number to the next. The minute hand goes all the way around the clock in 1 hour. When it points to 12, we say o'clock. Like 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. Can you guess what time it is when the short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on 12? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. We use time all day. Wake up at 7 o'clock, eat lunch at 1 o'clock, read books at 5 o'clock. Telling time helps us stay on schedule. Let's play a quick game. What time is it when the short hand is on 9 and the long hand is on 12? Yes, it's 9 o'clock. Well done. Now one more. Short hand on 12, long hand on 12. You got it. 12 o'clock. You're amazing. Great job, time champs. Now you know how to read the hour hand and minute hand. Just remember, short hand equals hour, long hand equals minute. When the long hand is on 12, we say o'clock. Now it's your turn. Look around your house. Can you find a clock? What time is it right now? Ask a grown-up to quiz you using the hour hand. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a time-telling star. Bye-bye. My little clock watchers, tick-tock.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.